If you've installed a game through itch.io and you want to remove it from your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall itch.io games quickly and easily so you can free up space and keep your library clean. This is a simple process, and if you follow along step by step, you'll have the game removed in just a moment. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open the itch.io app on your computer. Once the app is open, look for the Library section. This is where all of your downloaded and installed itch.io games are listed. Inside your library, find the game you want to remove. You can scroll through your games until you see the one you no longer need. When you found it, right-click on the game. A menu will appear with a few options, and from that menu, click Uninstall. That's the main action that removes the game from your system through the itch.io app. After you click Uninstall, the app may ask you to confirm your choice. If it does, just approve it so the removal process can continue. The game will then be uninstalled, and depending on the size of the game, it may only take a few seconds or a little longer to finish. Once it's done, the game should disappear from your installed library or no longer show as installed. If you want to uninstall more games, you can repeat the same process for each one. Open Library, right-click the game, and choose Uninstall. It's really that easy. This is a great way to clean up old downloads, reclaim storage space, and keep your computer running a little more smoothly. And if you ever decide to reinstall the game later, you can usually do that right from your itch.io library again. So to quickly recap, open the itch.io app, go to Library, right-click the game, and click Uninstall. That's all you need to do to remove an itch.io game from your device. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.